camping just got smarter. From high-tech tools to clever gear you've never seen before, these unique finds for 2025 will level up your outdoor adventures and make every trip easier, safer, and more exciting. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Number 10. Redefine C's outdoor adventure. Imagine a camping setup that feels more like a cozy outdoor home. This clever two-story inflatable shelter pops up in just 4 minutes and stands strong, even in windy weather. Its smart fabric keeps things cool in summer and warm in winter, so you're comfortable year-round. Downstairs, there's space to relax with a hammock frame and extra room for your gear. Upstairs, a comfy bedroom is perfect for families or small groups. Removable panels make drying and cleaning simple, and adding a soft carpet makes it feel even more inviting. It's camping, reimagined for comfort and ease. Number 9. Guardian Gravity Purifier. Built to meet strict military standards, this water purifier removes 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, protozoa, sediment, and microplastics, no matter how dirty the water is. Its two-stage system filters out harmful contaminants and uses activated carbon to reduce chemicals, bad tastes, and odors, giving you fresh, clean water every time. With a large 10-liter tank, it's great for drinking, cooking, and cleaning at camp. Made from strong materials, it handles tough conditions but is still compact and easy to carry. Whether you're deep in the wild or traveling light, it's a reliable way to stay safely hydrated anywhere you go. Number 8. Everlasting Comfort Insulated Cooler Backpack. 54 can. Keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours with this roomy cooler backpack, perfect for outdoor fun. It can carry up to 54 cans and uses thick foam insulation to keep the inside cold and your food and drinks fresh. Made with strong, waterproof materials and leak-proof zippers, it's great for the beach, fishing, boating, and more. It also has front and side pockets for small items and a built-in bottle opener for quick access. The padded straps make it easy to carry even when full. With lots of space and great cooling, it's ideal for any adventure. Number 7. Jetboil Stash Titanium Stove. For backpackers and outdoor lovers, having a reliable way to cook is important for both comfort and energy during long trips. This ultralight stove solves that need with a compact design that doesn't lose power. Weighing only 7.1 ounces, it includes a strong titanium burner and a 0.8-liter pot, boiling water in just 2.5 minutes. Its smart design lets the burner, pouch, and stabilizer fit inside the pot to save space. Added features like measuring marks, a snap-on lid with a pour spout, and space for a fuel can and lighter make it perfect for lightweight, no-fuss cooking on the trail. Number 6. Grill Armor Gloves. Protecting your hands from high heat is very important when working around fire or hot surfaces. These heavy-duty gloves are made with strong leather layers on the fingers, palms, and back for added safety, while the soft cotton inside keeps your hands comfortable. The long 16-inch sleeves give extra protection to your arms from sparks, heat, and flying debris. They're great for grilling, welding, cooking, or using a fireplace. The gloves are built to last and can handle tough, hot jobs like moving hot coals or cookware. Their strong design makes them a useful tool for any high-heat activity. Number 5. Clean AF Bundle Set. Tired of dealing with smelly or dirty water bottles? This high-tech bottle makes staying hydrated simple and worry-free. It uses UV light to kill bacteria like E. coli. No chemicals needed. Just tap the button or let it clean itself automatically every 2 hours. Your water stays fresh and your bottle stays odor-free. Thanks to its double-wall stainless steel design, drinks stay cold for 24 hours or hot for 12. The USB rechargeable battery lasts up to a month, and it's built to handle splashes with a waterproof charging port. It's a smart, low-effort way to enjoy clean water anytime, anywhere. Number 4. BioLite CampStove 2. This compact outdoor stove is perfect for cooking and charging devices while camping. It runs on sticks, wood scraps, or pellets. No gas canisters needed. Just collect twigs from the ground and you're ready to cook. What makes it special is its ability to turn heat into electricity. It has a USB port for real-time charging and a built-in 3,200 milliamp hour battery to store power for later. It can boil a liter of water in just 5 minutes. Light and portable, it weighs only 2.06 pounds and is about the size of a 32-ounce water bottle. It also includes a 100-lumen LED light. Number 3. Exit Fire and Go 20 volts. This compact outdoor grill is perfect for travel, camping, or tailgating. Its smart foldable design gives you 56% more cooking space while using 35% less storage room than standard pellet grills. Weighing only 40.8 pounds, it fits easily into a suitcase-sized space, making it simple to carry. You can cook using a replaceable battery that lasts up to 10 hours, or plug it in with the included adapter. With 8 cooking modes and a wide temperature range from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles everything from slow cooking to quick searing. It also comes with all the tools you need to start grilling. Number 2. Outdoor Guardian Motion Sensor. Stay safe on your outdoor trips with this smart, travel-friendly motion sensor. It watches over your campsite and alerts you to any nearby movement, whether it's a curious animal or an unexpected guest. No Wi-Fi? No problem. It uses advanced radar technology and runs up to 30 hours on a single charge. Setup is as easy as pairing wireless earbuds, and the receiver also charges and stores the sensors when not in use. Choose a silent vibration for personal alerts or a loud alarm to scare off intruders. It's a simple, effective way to enjoy peace of mind in the wild. Number 1. Flextail Tiny Repel. Say goodbye to bug bites with this clever little camping gadget. It's built to keep mosquitoes away while adding some extra convenience to your outdoor adventures. With 3 modes, you can pick the right level of protection, whether you need long-lasting coverage close by or a powerful shield over a bigger area. Tough enough for the outdoors, it's waterproof and drop-resistant. Its smart hook design lets you hang it anywhere, on a tripod, hook, or metal surface. The battery lasts for hours, powering repellent mats that create a full-circle bug-free zone. Plus, it doubles as a bright lantern for nighttime use. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering these unique camping gear and gadgets for 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool outdoor finds. Stay safe and happy camping.